pan so I can pan around. How you doing? Memorial for the Mark B. Griffin, Love Joan. So how's that? Down here, we got the river. We're at the Riverwalk again here in Canyon City. Today is December the 14th.
January.
What month did I say?
You said December.
Oh, okay. Scratch that. It's January 14th, 2017. That's what it is. And I'm using my Removu S1 Gimbal with the Hero 5 Black. And this is the Arkansas River. And you can see that it's running pretty fast. Just do a nice little pan action here. There, finally get my screen on. So if I shook it a little bit, that was my finger. Alright, so again I'm in the pan mode. And we're just walking down this trail. So over there's some snow. If you look on that hillside, here's the trail. There's a guy up there walking his little dog. And again over here to the left is the river. You can see the trees are dead. I know according to my thermometer on the car it was like 41 or 2 degrees. It's probably about what, 1 o'clock in the afternoon?
12:30.
No.
Oh, about 15 till, yeah.
Okay, quarter to 12 then, so 12:45. Here's one of the exercise equipment here. Here, let's do some low down stuff. So that was on that exercise thing there. That'll show you pretty much everything. Right about there. Okay. So here's a tree. Let's go along this. Okay. We'll see what that looks like. Alright, so now I'm gonna switch it over to the follow mode. There we go. Just look down to the ground. Look at my footsteps here. You can see. Walking along the path. Now I'm come and look back up. And right over there is the bathroom to the right. And again, the river's now moved a little bit over there, a little further to the left. Here, we'll go up high and see it. Okay, here the trail splits into two. We're going to take the left split. And over here, we've got a picnic table right there. So that's pretty good. Alright, now let me point it over towards the river. I'm going to put it in lock mode. Now it's in lock mode. Now you see I'm turning the handle, but the camera ain't moving, which is exactly what it's supposed to do and not do. Oh yeah, and I did put the weight balance thing on it, so that's actually on there now. See the dead trees here that we've got. How you doing? Okay, let me put it back on pan. Now we'll go over here, and you can see that we got some more exercise, a little balance beam thing. Here, I'll tell you what I'll do this time. I balance myself on this. See, this is it right here. You see it going over through yonder. let me balance myself on here and then we'll see what this video looks like, how stable that is. And that's it. I was on it, crossed it, and off it. Pretty good. So now we're walking back down to the main path. Let me get the screen back on here. I'd like to see it if I can. Okay, now as I turn the handle, that's the path. See, I was still walking a little bit crooked there, so that hopefully should be good. I noticed a little bit of space in the case that the GoPro sits on. I made a command, or at least so it thought a command to this camera, and it shut itself off. So now we're back. You can hear the, go down here so you can hear the river maybe a little bit better. It's pretty loud. Let's see. See these rocks down here? Let's put this in follow mode. There, you see the rocks. And you see the water. I'll be quiet for a few seconds and let you just listen to the water. Pretty peaceful, huh? Alright, so let's turn around. Head back up and out. Okay. So you can see we're still in follow mode. You can see these trees. There we go, way up there. So pretty dead, like I said, January 14th, so it's about the middle of the month here. Yeah, it's not too bad. Here we got a high parallel bar. You can parallel if you want to. I can't with this camera, but I have done this before. Here, you get across there just like you're doing it. There, how was that? Was that fun? That was very fun. Okay, we're still in follow, so let's turn it. So look at that. So I did a hard 90 there and just let it turn itself. So that was pretty good. And now, if we want to look up some of these trees, and then I'll put it on lock. Yep, you see now I bent it back forward, but the camera's still looking up at a bit of an angle, so that's pretty cool. And no matter how I twist the handle, I just twist it all the way to the left and all the way to the right, now straight back. So hopefully we'll see that there's no bouncing or turning or twisting, or hopefully any sound in that. And that should be good. Alright, so one last time, I'm going to put her back to pan. And see, sometimes that's where it seems to have forgotten itself. See if I can twist it there, like that. So, there is a calibration on this. I have learned in the book. I got to take the little GoPro thing off of this, but when I get home I got to be on a flat level surface and I can calibrate this thing. Should fix that, and with the weight on it, it should be better. Hey, how you doing? So other than that, just as that's the second time I think it's done, that don't mean the 2 days I've had it, so it's not a big problem, but you know, it is a slight problem, so hopefully calibration will fix it. So that's what we'll try with this one. I'll go ahead and end this little video, and hopefully this has been a decent test as well. Alright, so we're coming back down towards the end of our walk, but we crossed the river. We saw all these cows over here. So I said I would be remiss if I did not record them. You can see even all the way down here, somewhere in there, I think, is a white cow all by itself. And of course there's a bunch of them right there. And right over here across from us over here is several of them. So you can see the water is definitely running fast. Here, I'll put this on follow mode. See there, point it down. You can see the water is running very, very fast down through there. But all through here. You know, there's those cows again. Pretty crazy. We've never seen the cows down here by the water. They've always come from those barns over there, so they've gotten out and escaped. All the times we've walked has been walked up for years. Never seen those guys over yonder. So just wanted to add that to my video. Hope it was good. Thanks for watching. These are a bunch of Canadian geese. Do you hear those? And they're landing in this water over here. Sorry about the sun. There's a fence here. Can't get any closer than that. If you can look through there, they're flying. Here they look. Look, they're landing. I sure hope that came through. There's a couple landed right there. Hopefully that came into view. But there's got to be a couple hundred geese in total. I mean, here, let me pan from that way. You look all the way down through there and all the way across. All the way literally to that edge of the water. That sun though is shining off that water. It's pretty bright. You can see that right there, I know. Hopefully that's coming through. This will be a good end of the video. Alright, they're quieting down. I guess they're going to bed, so we're going to take off too. Thanks for watching. See you later.